Assalamu alaikum and good morning dear students. Welcome back to GS class. What about your studies? Is it going well? All of you completed the last class works? What we have studied in the last class? Yes, in the last class we have studied different parts of flower and their functions. All of you remember it? Okay. Do you know where do the fruits develop on a plant? Where do the fruits develop on a plant? Yes, the fruits are developed from a flower. Flower is the reproductive organ in a plant. Plant in the reproductive organ is flower. And flower performs the function of reproduction in plants. Function of reproduction നടത്തുന്നത് flower ആണ്. We know that fruits are developed from a flower and seedlings are produced by the germination of seeds which are seen inside the fruit. ഫ്രൂട്ട്സിൽ കാണുന്ന സീഡ്സിൻ്റെ ജെർമിനേഷൻ വഴിയാണ് സീഡ്ലിങ്സ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. All of you clear this? You can see fruits are formed from flowers. For example, the fruits of mango, that is mango fruit is formed from its flower. You see it? Okay. In the last class we have studied about the male reproductive part and female reproductive part of a flower. The male reproductive part is known as androecium and the female reproductive part is known as gynoecium. We have to study the different parts of androecium and gynoecium. First look at the picture of gynoecium. Which are the parts you can see here? Yes, you can see in the bottom. ഏറ്റവും താഴെ കാണുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? Ovary. Then in the middle portion we call it as style. And top ഏറ്റവും മുകളിൽ കാണുന്നത് എന്താണ്? Stigma. There are three parts in a gynoecium. There are ovary, style and stigma. And egg is seen in the ovule, which is seen inside the ovary. ഓവറിയിലുള്ള ഒവ്യൂളിലാണ് എഗ്സ് കാണുന്നത്. Then let us see the androecium, the male reproductive part of the flower. Look at the picture. Which are the parts you can see? Yes, anther and filament. That yellow color portion is called anther and another portion is known as the filament. You have seen in the last class. And the male gamete is seen in the pollen grain. Pollen grainilana male gamete which is seen inside the anther. Antheril found cheyunna pollen grainilana male gamete ullathu. When the pollen grains are seen inside a microscope, we can see like this. Look at the picture. When the pollen grains are collected and seen under a microscope, its picture will be like this. All of you clear this? Okay. Now let us move to the next topic, that is bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. The last class we have studied detail about the parts of hibiscus flower. Which part is seen here? Which part is seen here? Yes, this is the gynoecium, that is female reproductive part. And which part is this? This is androecium, the male reproductive part. That is the androecium and gynoecium is seen in the same flower. Same flower line androecium and gynoecium കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. Such flowers are called bisexual flowers. Then what is bisexual flowers? When the Androecium and Gynoecium are seen in the same flower, such flowers are known as bisexual flowers. For example, oleander. In oleander, the Androecium and Gynoecium is seen in the same flower. Then hibiscus, then clitoria. These are examples for the bisexual flowers. Then what is unisexual flowers? Opposite. That is, Androecium and Gynoecium are seen in separate flowers. Androecium Gynoecium separate. വേറെ വേറെയുള്ള ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിൽ കാണുന്നതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? യൂണിസെക്ഷൽ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ pumpkin, bitter gourd, snake gourd, etc. All of you clear this? Once again repeat it. Bisexual flowers, the Androecium and Gynoecium are seen in the same flower. And when the Androecium and Gynoecium are seen in separate flowers, it is called unisexual flowers. Okay. Next topic is male and female flowers. That is, the flowers having only Androecium are known as male flowers. Androecium അല്ലെങ്കിൽ male reproductive part മാത്രം കാണുന്ന ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെയാണ് male flowers എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. And the flowers having only Gynoecium or the female reproductive part is known as the female flowers. The flowers having only Androecium are known as male flowers, and the flowers having only Gynoecium are known as female flowers. Pumpkin, cucumber, bitter gourd, snake gourd, ash gourd, etc. having both male and female flowers. ഇതിൽ male flowers-ഉം female flowers-ഉം കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay. So what we have studied today? Yes, we have studied about the different parts of Androecium, Gynoecium. Then we discussed about bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. And last we have studied about male and female flowers. I hope all of you have understood today's class. See you next time. Thank you.